পানিটা একটু কম তার হয়ে গেছে যাইতেছে সন্ন্যাসীরা খালি কাম করে খাবো
Continuous rainfall and torrents from the hills have breached the embankments of three hilly rivers in Sherpur's Janai and Nalatabari Upazalis, flooding local areas and escalating the misery of the residents. Continuous rain and the rush of water from the hills have broken the embankments of three hilly rivers in two Upazalis of Sherpur. Water has entered the localities with great force through these broken parts, increasing the suffering of the people in the affected areas. In some places, river water is also overflowing the embankments and flooding the surrounding areas.